If you've ever copied text straight from ChatGPT or another AI tool into WordPress, your content might be carrying a digital fingerprint you didn't know was there. To your readers, the post looks perfect. But to search engines, well, it might contain hidden HTML that quietly says, hey, this was written by a machine. And while Google doesn't necessarily penalize AI written content, publishing that invisible code can create signals that affect how your post is indexed and ranked. So in this video, I'll show you what that code looks like, why it matters, and how to make sure your AI-assisted content stays clean, authentic, and SEO safe. When you copy content from ChatGPT's code view or export it as HTML, you might see something like this hidden inside your page. Those little data start and data end snippets are called data attributes. They don't change how your page looks, but they do change how your code looks to a crawler. Remember that when a crawler looks at your page, it doesn't read text the way a human does. It looks at the code underneath the hood of the page, potentially seeing elements like tags that a human wouldn't see. These tags are inserted by AI platforms to track things like paragraph position or token boundaries, basically instructions for the machine. And when you paste that straight into your CMS, you bring the machine's internal tracking data with it. So why does this matter? Well, it's not because Google is sitting around punishing AI content, although this could be happening if your content doesn't conform to Google's EEAT standards: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. It matters because search engines use pattern recognition at scale. If millions of AI-generated pages share the same code pattern, it becomes a recognizable signature. And when your page matches that signature, it can quietly change how algorithms classify your content. That doesn't mean an instant penalty, but it can affect things like originality, trustworthiness, and how much priority your page gets in search results. Plus, all that extra code adds bloat. It can slow down your page load and quietly hurt your core web vitals. So here's how to check if your post has these AI fingerprints. In WordPress, access the code editor feature to see the HTML code of your page. Then hit Command F or Control F or search for data dash. If you see lines like data start or data token, that's leftover AI markup. You'll usually find it if you copied and pasted from ChatGPT's code blocks or pasted directly from something like Notion or Google Docs. Now let's talk about 4 options on how to clean it up. The first option, and the easy way, is to paste your AI text into a plain text editor first before pasting it into WordPress. For example, Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. Then paste that version into WordPress. Make sure your text editor is set to text-only mode so it strips all of the extra code out. Option 2 is to export the copy from ChatGPT as Markdown. Markdown keeps your formatting without embedding any hidden code. And option 3, if you're comfortable editing HTML, is to open the code editor in WordPress and delete anything that starts with data dash. And option 4 is to use a free cleaning tool like HTML Cleaner or Clean CSS. Drop your code in, click Clean, and copy and paste the result into WordPress. The goal is simple: keep your HTML as clean and human as you're writing. So in summary, here's a quick checklist for SEO-safe AI content that will improve your chances of appearing in AI search results over time. Always paste as plain text. Format copy inside your CMS. Review your code once before publishing, and make code hygiene part of your SEO checklist, right next to meta descriptions and internal links. Clean HTML sends clean signals, and clean signals build trust with both your readers and search engines. Using AI isn't the problem. Publishing carelessly is. Before you hit publish on your next AI-assisted post, pop open your code view and take a look under the hood. You might be surprised at what you find. Well, thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel or check out my Visibility Brief newsletter on LinkedIn, where I share monthly insights on PR strategies in AI, SEO, and how to stay visible in an algorithmic world. See you next time.